Hi guys. Today I will be describing every Boeing and Airbus plane in 3 words or less. Boeing 707, quite old. B717, you love Delta. B727, loud trijet. B737, you succeeded. B747, very iconic plane. B757, you love pencils. B767, very normal plane. B777, my favorite plane. B787, battery failure king. B720, off-brand 707, Dreamlifter, fat plane.
Emotional, damn it!
A 220, modern plane. A 300, opposite of a 220. A 310, short wide-body plane. A 318, very tiny. A 319, still quite small. A 320, perfect size. A 321, longer. A 320. A 330, the butter machine. A 340, failed butter machine. A 350, very modern plane. A 360, a 380, Emirates fans plane. Beluga and Beluga XL, super fat plane.
Emotional, damn it!
Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I will be doing a 30 sub special. That's it for today. See you next time.